What's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Vekooto wireless backup camera. Here is the camera itself. As you can see, it's got this nice solar panel on top for charging. It also has this USB-C slot right here. On the back we can also charge it, but I haven't really actually found a need to do that yet. Click on the power button and it will tell you the battery status. So it's got about 75% remaining. Here are the infrared lights, here is a light sensor, and there is the camera itself. As you can see, this thing rotates like so, and that allows you to get that perfect angle. There is the antenna, but it also comes included with this longer antenna if you want better read. Here is a USB-C cable included with the wall brick. You also got screws for installation. This has a magnetic base, so it can stick onto the back of your trailer or anything like that. But if you want to go ahead and screw this in, you can go ahead and just see how strong that magnet is right there. And you can use the included screws right there to go ahead and attach that to any kind of wall that you have. And this thing works for up to 50-foot distance. It's got 1920 by 1080p, so that's full HD quality. And you can easily just check out the cars or any objects behind you just using your phone and the included app, and it connects over Wi-Fi. Overall, I highly recommend this.